The new F-Series forestry carrier is the next phase. It's completely factory built and a lot of improvement. Ewen Satherley, TDX. I'm our territory manager for the Central North Island and our forestry specialist. Here today at our Taupō TDX branch, here with the launch of the new Volvo F-Series forestry carrier. Now has a fabricated counterweight. Inside that counterweight is a fuel cell, which is 650 litres. The whole counterweight was designed around the weight of it being empty, which has contributed to the machine being very stable. The whole new corner post on the side, which is a heavy duty corner post, that now has a side entry, 3 points of contact all the way up. Because we have included the fuel tank into the counterweight, we've now have extra storage space. In the toolbox where the fuel tank used to be is completely set up for an oil cooler. If you want to put a harvester on a machine, you want to put an extra cooler on, you are able to put it in there. The mounting's already in there, she's already set to go. The new machine now is electric over hydraulic, which means no pilot lines into the cab, so less heat in the cab. You now have the large capacity fuel tank. You can potentially work for a couple of days before having to refuel. The machine now is equipped with a D8 engine, which is a 7.7 litre. We've gone from the D7 to the D8. It's a high torque engine, so it doesn't rev as hard. Revolutions are down, pump size is slightly up, so we get good flow for less revs, results in better fuel economy. Customer reactions were great here today. We had a machine here that can be operated. Customers have been on it, all very impressed with the new styling, the new features and how it operates. Fantastic machine, very keen to get it out there working in the field.